Hi guys, it's Dave from the Truck Center. This is stock number 3967P. It's a 2020 Mercedes-Benz 2500 cargo van with only 1,000 kilometers. This is a medium height, medium roof. On the inside, you can stand up and walk around in here. Lots of room front to back as well. Some cargo tie downs there on the floor. Strapping anything to it that you might need, as well as in the bulkhead. There's a backup camera on this guy. It's a 3-liter diesel in the 3/4 ton chassis. With it being a Mercedes, it is relatively loaded. It's got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise. Really comfortable buckets. It's a fantastic delivery vehicle for anybody putting on a lot of miles. Great fuel mileage, really comfortable as well. Genesis stock number 3967, 2020 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter.